Most buyers think they need to speak Chinese to work with Chinese suppliers. That's not true. You don't need perfect language skills. You need a clear communication system. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 practical tips we use every day at YanSourcing to help overseas buyers work smoothly with Chinese factories, even if they don't speak a single word of Chinese. By the end, you'll know exactly how to send clear messages, avoid misunderstandings, and protect your orders, all in simple English. Let's start. Tip number 1, use simple English. It sounds obvious, but most buyers overcomplicate. Long paragraphs, polite fluff, big words. Many salespeople skim on their phones. Make their job easy. Use short lines, one idea per sentence. Avoid approximately or ballpark. Skip slang, ASAP, FYI. Example, our ideal ship date is August 15th. Please confirm yes or no. Then ask, will this still make sense in Google Translate? Tip number 2, always confirm important points in writing. Calls are useful. You can use Zoom, WhatsApp, or WeChat to talk to your supplier. You can share the screen, show photos, and solve issues faster, but calls are not a contract. On a call, people sometimes say yes because they feel pressured. They may not fully understand all the details. After the call, they forget half of what you said. That is why we use a very strict rule. After every important call, we send a short recap email. This email is not a long story. It is a summary and a checklist. You can write something like this. Thank you for the call today. Here is my understanding of what we agreed. Product. Model ABC. Black handle, with logo on the side. Quantity. 1,200 pieces for the first order. Unit price. 4.80 USD, FOB Shenzhen. Sample. Final pre-production sample to be approved before May 10th. Mass production lead time, 45 days after deposit. Payment terms, 30% deposit, 70% before shipment. Carton marking, as per attached artwork. If this is correct, please reply confirmed. If anything is wrong, please correct it now. This simple habit protects you in many ways. First, it shows your supplier that you are serious and organized. They will treat you more seriously in return. Second, it forces both sides to check the details while they are still fresh. If there is a mistake in the quantity, price, or lead time, you find it now, not after production. Third, if a dispute happens later, you have written proof. You can say, here is our email on June 3rd. You confirmed these terms. We teach all our clients this habit, and it saves a lot of money and stress. Tip number 3, use pictures, drawings, and examples. It's an old saying, but it's true. A picture is worth 1,000 words. While words are cheap and can be easily misinterpreted, pictures are powerful because they provide undeniable clarity, leaving no room for imagination or guesswork. Whenever your message involves subjective qualities like design, color, size, shape, or even the texture of a material, relying on text alone is a dangerous gamble. What seems obvious to you can be interpreted in countless ways by someone else. Think about this sentence. The color should be a little darker. For you, maybe a little darker means 1 shade darker. For your supplier, it might mean 3 shades darker. This simple misunderstanding can lead to an entire production run that doesn't match your vision. Think about this sentence. The edge should be more rounded. You might imagine a smooth, soft curve. The factory might imagine only a small, almost unnoticeable change. Without a visual reference, both of you are just guessing. This is why we say, show, don't just tell. You can send photos of similar products you like, photos of what you don't like, simple sketches with dimensions written next to the arrows, screenshots with red circles and comments, even short videos showing how the product will be used in real life. You do not need 3D renderings. You do not need a professional designer. Even a piece of paper with a hand drawing taken with your phone can be extremely useful. The goal is clarity, not a work of art. Your supplier will appreciate the effort to be clear. For example, instead of writing, the handle should be longer, write, please increase handle length from 10 cm to 14 cm, like in the attached drawing. Or instead of writing, the logo should be a bit bigger, write, please increase logo width from 2 cm to 3 cm. Centered on the front panel, 1.5 cm from the top edge. See attached picture. Most quality problems are not caused by bad people. They are caused by bad communication. The buyer has one picture in their head. The factory has a different picture in their head. They both think they are right, and they're both working hard based on their own understanding. When you use pictures, drawings, and examples, You create one shared picture that everyone can agree on. That is when quality becomes consistent. Tip number 4. Use one official communication channel. Today we have email, WhatsApp, WeChat, Skype, so many apps. If you're not careful, details spread across 5 apps. Confusing. Simple rule, chat anywhere, but choose one place for final decisions. Usually email or a shared doc, so you have one clear history. Tip number 5. Ask the supplier to recap the key details. This is one of the most powerful habits you can build to prevent costly mistakes. Many buyers send long instructions, big Excel files, and complex drawings. Then they simply assume everything is clear and has been perfectly understood, because they put so much effort into preparing it. But you never really know what the factory understood until they say it back to you in their own words. This simple step bridges the crucial gap between your assumption and their actual confirmation. So after you send your final spec, you can write, "Before you start production, can you please summarize the final details in one email? Please include final product spec, final unit price, total quantity, lead time, packing details, and payment terms." When the factory sends their recap, do not skim it. Read it carefully, line by line, comparing it against your own records. Very often, you will spot small but important differences. Maybe they wrote 1,000 pieces instead of 1,200. Maybe they wrote white box instead of color box. Maybe they wrote EXW price when you expected FOB price. Or perhaps they wrote 30 days lead time when you thought you agreed on 20 days. These are common, honest mistakes that can easily happen. This is the moment when misunderstandings come to the surface. This is your chance to fix them while there is still time, before any money is paid or production begins. You can reply politely, "Thank you for the summary, it is very clear. Only 2 corrections. Quantity should be 1,200 pieces, not 1,000. Packing should be color box as per approved sample, not white box. Please confirm again after correction." Now you have a clean, agreed-upon version, in the supplier's own words, with your corrections added. This single email becomes a critical reference point for the entire project. If there is a quality issue or delay later, this email is your protection and your undeniable proof of what was mutually agreed upon. Quick review: 5 tips to work smoothly with Chinese suppliers. 1. Use simple English, short sentences, no slang. 2. Always confirm important points in writing after calls. 3. Use pictures, drawings, and examples. 4. Choose one official channel, usually email, for final decisions and confirmations. 5. Ask the supplier to recap the key details, then correct them. Need help? Talk to YanSourcing, link in description.